This is one of the new windows that was installed. It's framed up, nice. Still got to get it painted, but caulked for weatherproofing. And then if you compare that to the old ones that we have, it's just a very nice change. We've been here about a year. We bought it because we were looking for something that we could uplift a little bit from its current state, and we're just looking to keep improving the place and kind of rebuilding this house from 1909, I think it was built. So the previous owners updated a lot, but left the exterior in a state that could still use some improvement. So that's what we're focusing on right now. Energy efficiency was always something that we're trying to keep in mind. We're dealing with single pane glass too, and that's kind of a safety risk a lot of the time, so not something we really wanted to continue having. Yeah, they can be difficult to open because the old wood swells. You still get drafts, especially with like single pane glass, and that's really something that we wanted to get rid of. The siding, we had a lack of gutters before working with Property Revolution, but with all of the water that was coming down off the roof, it was starting to rot some of the outer siding, so we wanted to take care of that before it became too large of a problem. We were looking for somebody local, somebody affordable, and someone who had good reviews, and they kind of hit all three of those markers for us. It was in and out, the work was done fast, the work was done well. If I had questions, I just reached out and got an answer within a couple hours usually. It was very easy to work with you guys. Our salesperson, Amanda Lynn, was great. I forget the owner's name, but he came out personally to look at the project. Yeah, Kurt. It was really nice to have somebody who made decisions on the property as well, just to give feedback on kind of the vision we had for the place. I found you guys after a quick Google search. I did some research comparing local companies, and then I called for quotes. Had a couple people come out from different companies and just ended up with you guys because, again, hit those markers for us. They're not rotting and they're more energy efficient, and the house is cheaper to heat during the winter, and I expect it'll be cheaper to cool in the summer. We did double pane, but there are a couple windows left in the house that we're still gonna get replaced down the line. They were very quick. They gave me reasonable time frames, adhered to the time frames, worked around my schedule. Quality materials, quality people has been excellent. It's just been a very simple, straightforward process. I would absolutely recommend Property Revolution. Just be clear with what they want. And if they're clear with what they want, I think Property Revolution will make it their mission to get as close to that vision as possible. Overwhelmingly positive.